This shortcut will save you a lot of time when you are trying to load all your textures to your PBR material. So let's don't waste more time and let's jump to Blender. Welcome to Digital Impostor. First, let's turn on the Wrangler add-on. Let's go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons. Here, type Node Wrangler and mark it. Okay, then go here, save preferences and close the window. Now let's switch our workspace to shading. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Next step, make sure your model is selected. Okay. Make sure also that your model has a material. Select the principal BSDF and press Ctrl-Shift-T. You will see the window. Go to location where are your textures. Okay. Select the first one, press Shift, select all of them. I will not load the emission, so unselect and press the blue button. As you can see, all the textures are loaded. Okay, even normal map, even displacement. To make sure that your displacement map is working, okay, you have to switch from EV to cycles, then go to the material properties. Okay, here you see displacement, but we are going to settings, and here you have displacement. From bump only, switch to displacement and bump, and then change viewport shading to render it. If you still don't see the displacement effect, remember you have to have a subdivision surface, okay? And in my case, I will change to simple, and make sure you have enough high resolution of the mesh. And then you have to adjust the scale for the strength, and it's working. And also remember, change to shade smooth. And this is how you very easily and very quickly load all your textures. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please press like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget press the notification ring bell. Thank you one more time, and I will see you in the next one.